Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video, I am going to Kohl's. I want to see what they got for spring. And also guys, I am in my husband's big truck. So whenever I get stopped at Kohl's, I'm going to give y'all guys, I'm going to give you guys, I'm talking about y'all guys, you guys a tour of this big truck. This is a lot of truck. It is a lot of truck. You can see from here, from the inside. It is so very nice. Let me turn around so y'all can see everything in the dashboard. Oh, yes. So guys, look at here. This is the dashboard. And guys, I'm sitting high up. You know, everything is programmed. But look, guys. And this sunroof. You know, we got to do it big. They say, but look, this truck do everything. Yes, this truck does everything. It is so freaking smart, guys. Like here, let me see. This shows, like, I'm parked here and y'all can see how long the truck is here, but this shows everything. Like, I can push this button and it shows me the front end of the truck, and then I can push this, it shows me the wheels of the front, and I push the back, it shows me the back tires. Here it shows me the back of the truck. It has so much, guys. See, and that's showing me the very front of the truck. It is nice, guys. And he just got the front windows tinted like the back to blend everything in. He took that to the manufacturer yesterday and got it done. But guys, this is so freaking smart, guys. And the thing about it is, it has everything in here. It has even, they have like you can put, it has the Google store in it. You see all the things that you have that you can go ahead and look here. Y'all know what that is. The tube, they're just telling you to sign in. I haven't did anything yet, but guys, yes, they even have the tube on here. Look at there. Guys, this is like, I'm kind of holding it down because I don't know whether he got anything programmed in, so, but it's showing that we can give the QR code and all that kind of good stuff on there to do it. But that'll be something probably to do later. It just have a whole bunch of apps like on here that you can look at it on here. You know, you can see from here like the different apps that they have, which is real nice. Okay, all right. Yes. So guys, let me get on my little journey over here to Kohl's, and guys, I will pick you guys up when I get to Kohl's. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, tell me, what are you waiting on? Please hit that notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content. Guys, I really need your support. I really want my channel to go far, and when it do, your support is going to be greatly, greatly appreciated. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell, guys, so you know when I'm uploading new content. So guys, let's get on our way and go into Kohl's and see what Kohl's have to offer. I'll see you over there. Yep. Hello and welcome to Veeutiful Creations. Okay guys, I have made it here to Kohl's. So I am going to get out, but I want to show you the outside of this truck. This is a GMC Sierra. Guys, this is a big truck. My husband got his little box in the back, and he's just ordered the piece to go on the back of the truck. So you can see here. Okay guys, I am back. Kohl's didn't have a whole lot of stuff that I was looking for, mainly for Easter, but I did cart some, some good things. They had things in there that is 50%. They still have Christmas, guys, inside of Kohl's. Yes, and they just got them for 50% off. I mean, they're gonna mark down plus 50% off. But if you want to get rid of them, you probably need to go and get a little bit lower. I'm in retail myself, but yes, I would try to get something a little bit lower. But anyway, yes, that's what's in Kohl's. So guys, I am done with this vlog. Shopping with me at Kohl's, or walkthrough at Kohl's, more or less, because I didn't purchase really anything in Kohl's. I left my other phone in so I could unlock my phone to go there, and I may come back, I don't know, but anywho, so that is all that I'm gonna do on this vlog, guys, but stay tuned, it's more to come. So remember, be good or be good at it, and I will see you guys in the next